Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, my name is Ace and you are welcome to my kitchen. Please kindly subscribe and turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I prepare this delicious delicacy. So delicious, this pasta. If you want to know and you have interest, keep on watching to the very end of this video. So guys, my pot is already on the fire, so I will be using olive oil on this recipe. So I will add a little bit of salt and my hot dog, then I will allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then I add my onions to it and I will stir together again. So you leave it to cook for another 1 minute. Then you add your green, yellow, red pepper. Then after adding this green, yellow, red pepper, you just stir together and add a little bit of seasoning. Yes, for taste, a little bit of seasoning. Then you allow it to cook again. Then after that, you add your cream. Yeah, your cream for the pasta. You can add any quantity of the cream you want, but that is enough for me. So after adding that cream, I will allow it to boil it like 1 minute again. Then I will add my pasta. See that's my pasta over there. As you can see, it's very, very delicious. Guys, it's very, this is the outcome of it. Very, very delicious. So if you'll be trying this recipe, just say it in the comment section. If you enjoy watching, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you all in our next video. Bye.